Hey everyone, just a little walkthrough and review of the Yousician desktop app. I'm not hugely impressed by everything about it, but the concept is wicked. So I just want to quickly show you the sort of interface, how it works real quick. You got home screen. This is at the top. The first thing you see is like where you are in your learning, so you can just click to carry on basically, and below that's the library of songs. So pretty straightforward. You click on a song, you play along. It's got its little live tab thing, which I'm going to show you in a second. That's that. Learn section. This is your own sort of player's learning pathway, just like you get on sort of language apps and stuff like that. It opens up new levels, like a computer game really. Opens up new levels as you complete each sort of level. So I've had a quick go at level 1, see what it's like, and then I can keep going. You get a little video lesson and then an exercise to do, which is pretty cool. And the workouts is a library of exercises basically. Challenges, I'm gonna guess this changes every week or so, and there's a couple of songs, 2 different levels for each song. And we'll come back and we'll do one of those in a second so you can see what it's like. Now the app, actually I'll come back to that. The history is all the old challenges. Here we go. Yeah, the app listens to your instrument. The problem I've found, before I start actually using the tuner, I'm using the interface. So my bass is plugged into the interface, and it reads it fine. When I use the built-in microphone, as you can imagine, it doesn't work. So you can't tune. It did not work. Simple as that really. But if you can get yourself a nice little setup where you're plugged in, then it works, and you'll see the tuner working now. Simple. It's a pretty good tuner. It's not perfect. It's a bit annoying the way it bleeps every time it comes in and out of tune. I guess it's good for a beginner because it tells you, yes, this is tuned. Better than some tuners I've bought in pedal form. Now here's the whole point of it. So you can have a little watch of me playing along to one of the songs. Oh yeah, cool. There's that's my score that I got last time. And then you can click on little leaderboards. You've got a star rating for each section, option to practice, option to like, option to add to your collection, I guess, if you like it, so you can come back to it, and then play. Let's see what happens. Watch out for how it works. You get a little count in, there's a little ball that bounces. Personally, it puts me off. I don't think it's clear. It's not clear at all, to be honest. It doesn't land exactly when the note should be played, so you've got to use your ears, and that doesn't get explained very well in my opinion, but you might disagree. Let's have a look. 2, 1, 2.
Almost perfect.
Thanks.
Next time, you'll nail it.
Next time.
You just tripled your daily goal. Great job.
There you go. Bit more encouragement. It's pretty good. Yeah, I think the app's pretty cool. It's a really good concept. Probably my main issue with it is it's teaching people that they should be reading tab, which is, it takes you 2 minutes to learn tab. Why not make it sheet music? Why not? If they're learning as they go, teach them how to read as they do it. That would be great, I think. Especially at the higher levels like that. Maybe have it as tab for the first couple of levels and start introducing sheet music. That would be nice. And some of the notes just don't register properly. Like if you're too subtle with your sort of ghost note type things, and your dynamics, then it just doesn't register the note, as you might have seen a couple of them go red as they go along. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I think if you're a beginner and you want to just supplement your learning, I'd probably recommend it. But you need a teacher. It's just not going to replace a teacher. But it's cool. You just have to bear those issues in mind. You're going to need to go through an interface, really, for it to really recognise. Even though it says you don't need cables and stuff, it just did not work. But there's that. And let me know if you've got any success stories, if you've been learning through Yousician and you really like it, or let me know if the opposite. If you downloaded it, you've been paying for it, and you're not happy. Yeah, love to hear your thoughts, and you might as well subscribe or you get in touch. Why not? All right, laters.